Have you had your coffee yet? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this macrame wall hanging. It was actually very easy, just time consuming. So if you want to go ahead and make your own, I say go for it. All right, let's get started.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it.
Please subscribe. But I started it and I realized I wasn't recording. So I'm using two light stands to hold it in place. And all I'm doing, I take a piece of string, I loop it like so, right? And then I just pull it through the loop. Ta-da! Let's review. I make sure it's even. It's folded in half like so. I loop it through and pull. Pop. Ta-da! Just using regular yarn. I have pink. I also have some teal and our mustard. All right, let's do a montage. some teal. I mean, I guess technically you can call this turquoise, but I'm just going to call it teal. And I'm just going to cut it at the top. And then again, at the bottom, I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to take the whole thing. And let's do it in the middle somewhere, right here. And I'm going to loop the whole thing through, like so. And then I'm going to take this piece, can you see? And I'm going to braid it like a regular 3-strand braid.
Prince Charming won't smile, in fact he won't show up at all.
Regular 3-strand braid.
When I should be.
I'm going to use some of the yellow that I have. And I'm just going to wrap it around to stop it from unraveling.
And not just pieces.
And then I'm going to tie it. Let's wrap it around some more. I'm going to just cut off the excess of the yellow. I'm just going to go ahead and take a piece of yarn and tie up one end of it. Like so. And then the end that I didn't tie, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, bow. Like so. Wrap some more yarn here. Okay, but you're just going to wrap more yarn around the top end like this. I left a little bit from the first one from the beginning, and I'm just going to use that to tie it off before I make my cut. Cut off the excess. Cut off the excess. Right? And then I'm going to cut here a little bit to make it look better. Maybe like straighter. So, yeah. And here you go. Take this loop, like we did all the others, and I'm going to pass the whole thing through, like so. Oopsie. Like, yeah. It's getting heavier, so it's falling lower, but thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your hair game be as strong as your macrame game. Macrame. Macrame. Macrame? Leave a comment down below. How do you pronounce this word? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you a latte. Bye, boos. I'm a ninja. Huh, huh, huh. I'm not a ninja. Let's check. It's not that big of a deal. It's leveled. Yes. This macrame wall hanging.